The most common form of financial accounts are savings and checking accounts. You can open these at various financial institutions, and both accounts can help you stay on top of your finances. Savings is money that you put aside for safekeeping. You may be saving for a specific purpose, or you could be building up an emergency fund. Some savings accounts are interest-bearing, which means that they earn money over time and is one great way to increase savings even further. Before you open a checking or savings account, be sure to consider all fees, minimum balance requirements, the annual percentage yield you can earn on deposits, and other rules and features associated with the account. Checking accounts are designed for you to make deposits and withdrawals. This account can offer both a debit card and the ability to write checks. Cash withdrawals can be made at a bank branch or an ATM, as well as by debit card purchases, checks, money orders, and bank transfers. Deposits can be made by depositing cash, checks, or money orders at a bank branch or an ATM, as well as by mobile check deposit or bank transfer. You can use your checking account for a number of daily financial transactions, such as paying bills with checks or electronically, making purchases with a check or debit card linked to your account, and transferring money electronically. Thank you for watching this video on the basics of financial accounts. For more information, please visit our website at masteryourcard.org.